Austria Risco Jam. Today I'm going to tell you three fairies from three kids and one mother. Once upon a time, three kids want to play. The name was Jax, and the name was Angel, and another one it was Cash. They like to play each other all the time. When the mother went out, he decided to play. He decided to went to the forest and gather some from fruits. And the mother went back home and called for her children because it was about to turn night. And then when the kids hear her mother, they watch there and say, "What is me, Mama?" He said, "Let's eat." And they said, "Okay." And they eat. And the mommy decided to read them a story. And the story was, once upon a time, there is unicorns, and they like to find a princess. One princess, it was from the Bebop of the kingdom. And then, but the kids already sleep. The kids were already asleep. Mom left the room and decided to sleep. And it turned morning, and then she woke up and saw he was pregnant. And it was raining from a thunderstorm. And then the mother shocked and wake up her kids and say, "Kids, let's close the window." And she said, "Okay." But it was already turning raining. And one kid forgot to close another window. And then rain started falling in their house. Said, "Where's this water coming from?" And she said, "I don't know." And they went out, and the mother went to her room and saw there was one window who was left open. Mom says, "Oh no, who leave the window open?" And she closed the window, and then, but there is a princess who walks into the ferry and knocks at the door and the mother saw, "What is that noise?" He went outside, and then he saw the princess and said, "Why are you here?" He said, "I'm going to see your children. Are they okay?" And then he said, and the mommy called for the children. "Children, come here. You're going to meet the princess." "Oh, the princess! Yay!" They went inside. They went up, and then say, "Mommy, where's the princess?" He says, "He's right there, sitting below to the seat. The couch." They rushed to the couch, and Mommy does bring a cup of coffees and milk and three donuts. 4 donuts. They eat each other, but there was one left. They said, "Who's going to eat the last one?" He said, "I'm full." "Me too." "Oh, I'm not full. I didn't eat a lot." One children eat. The next one Casa eat the last donut, and Mother it was cleaning the floor because waiting for the princess to go out and trying to go home. But the princess forgot her umbrella in the seat. And then the princess already left and she forgot her umbrella. He almost forgot her umbrella and said, "Where's the princess?" He said, like, "He went home already." And she said, "Okay." And she said, and the mother saw her umbrella. He said, "Oh no, she left it." And the mother went to her kingdom and said, "This is for the and then he already went there and she said, "This is for the mother princess of he dropped it." And she come to her kingdom. And then she let her inside the prince. And when the queen saw her, he said, "Why are you here?" She said, "You forgot your umbrella." He said, "Oh, thank you." And then the fairy already went home. Then another story. Another story. And the children are waiting for her mommy. And when it was night, the mother cannot find her house because she forgot her flashlight because it turned night. And then she found her children who is flashlighting her. And she really go there. Say, "How do she know that word? You forgot your umbrella and your flashlight." She said, "Very good." And it turned very sunny day, and the kids went to bed while they're still sleeping. Mommy decided to go shopping for them last time, but the mom was so late. And when the kids woke up, they saw our mommy's not there. Yes, and they went to the room and saw he was not there. And then she said, "Mommy, where are you?" So they decided to make their own dinner. One make a egg. Another one make vegetables made of broccoli and salad and tomatoes. One that don't know how to cook. So he asked for help. He said, "How do you don't know how to cook? I'm scared of fire." "Don't just be afraid." One children teach him, "Just watch at me." And then she said, "Okay." And then when she looked at her, he was very good. So he tried everything that she couldn't good, but he already do it. And she said, "See, you know how to cook." And he said, "Thanks." And she make her own dinner that is broccoli and salad, and the last one is tomatoes and vegetables. They eat it all. When mother come back, he said, "I'm back, children." He said, "Whoa, is that a giant box?" "Yep." I said, "I bought it from the store." "Okay." And they found They found so many toys and they played with it. It's three fairies. Huh? Lesson of day. You should help your mother clean all of the chairs, the plates and the dishes and the floor. You should always help your parents. Lesson, you have to help everything you do and help your parents and the dishes and the floor and your chores, and make sure you're lost. You can do it by your own. That's the end.